get more tainted because that can be maybe brighter. So it doesn't help. See what I mean?
It's like, yeah, it almost makes it like a cool filter.
Yeah. It's really good for your eyes, obviously, and then you can see things more accurately.
Yeah, you can see into the water.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I love those things. It looks really good on it.
I'm hungry. I don't know, apparently all I am is hungry on this trip. Fuck if I know. I have to have 7 breakfasts in the morning. Like, what the fuck is that?
Ready to eat, ready to go.
I'm on vacation.
Yeah. And you're being super active, so you're good.
Right? Died.
I used to have a really solid can line here.
You'll get one. That weekend got me high.
Huh?
That weekend got me high.
It did?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You
Give
do?
me a little buzz,
Me
yeah.
too, just like
And it's easy to sit back and kind of, okay.
me too. I'm like, alright, we're almost there.
Get it out again.
No. Love you. I think we're almost there. My what? No, not at all. I didn't get wet, thankfully.